Welcome to our channel where we help you unlock the full potential of your STV Freeview with a simple and clear step-by-step guide to entering your code. Welcome to our channel where we help you unlock the full potential of your STV Freeview with a simple and clear step-by-step guide to entering your code. First, ensure your STV Freeview box is properly connected to your television and switched on. Navigate to your remote control and press the Menu button to access the main settings. Using the arrow keys, scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Parental Controls or Security Settings. This section usually contains the code entry feature. Once there, select Enter Code or Change PIN. You will be prompted to input your current code if you have one. Otherwise, you might be asked to set a new one. Use the remote control number pad to carefully enter the code provided or your desired new code. After entering the code, confirm your input by selecting OK or pressing the Enter button on your remote. Your STV Freeview should now accept the code and enable access to restricted channels or settings. If you encounter any errors, double-check the code and try again, ensuring there is no typing error. Finally, exit the menu by pressing the Exit or Menu button and enjoy your customized viewing experience. Remember, following these steps carefully allows you to control your viewing preferences efficiently and securely.